The ELPLP88 replacement projector lamp bulb is designed to be compatible with a range of Epson projectors, including models like the PowerLite Home Cinema 2040, 2045, and 1040, and others. The lamp bulb comes with housing, ensuring an easy and secure installation process. The lamp's design focuses on delivering high-quality projection with bright and clear images. The included housing adds convenience, allowing users to replace the old bulb without any technical experience. One of the standout features of the ELP-LP88 replacement bulb is its ease of installation. The included housing makes it simple to remove the old bulb and insert the new one. This user-friendly design ensures that even those without technical skills can perform the replacement quickly and efficiently. The primary function of a projector bulb is to deliver clear and bright images. The ELP-LP88 excels in this regard. Once installed, the lamp provides excellent brightness and clarity, comparable to the original lamp that came with the projector. This makes it perfect for home cinemas, presentations, and any other applications requiring high-quality visuals. The ELP-LP88 replacement bulb is built to last. Its durable construction ensures reliable performance over time,